The first oil I'll be talking about is Asian white oil. Asian white oil is a very potent oil, very good for softening the skin, for whitening the skin, also good for a younger looking skin. The beautiful thing about this oil is that it contains SPF of about 25. It contains numerous ingredients such as purified seawater, vitamin E, vitamin A, hazelnut oil, ginger oil, jasmine oil, alpha-arbutin, glutathione, collagen, papaya extract, and rosemary extract. This oil doesn't require you using it in large quantity. A little of this oil does a great deal. It's also very good for all skin types. My next oil is pure Indian white whitening serum. This oil is also a very good oil you can add to your lotions, your cream, for people that are pro-mixing, for people that are producing from scratch. Contains propylene glycol, glycerin, sodium metabisulfate, vitamin E, alpha hydroxyl. Contains EDTA, cetyl alcohol. Our third oil is Secret Beauty Skin Oil. It's actually a skin whitening serum that is very good for treatment of acne marks. It does not contain hydroquinone. It's also very safe on treatment of psoriasis, corns, calluses, warts, and eczema. It contains benzoyl, which is an antiseptic and disinfectant oil, so it's a very safe oil. And our next oil is Halfcast Privilege Skin Whitening Oil. This is enriched with vitamin C, glutathione, and kojic acid. And the other one is Extra Fairness, Halfcast Extra Fairness. It is enriched with vitamin C, and is also very good for whitening of the skin. And here comes the Horse Oil Miracle by Disa. Very beautiful oil, usually for anti-aging and repairs the skin. And also the vitamin C oil, very good oil as well. So guys, go ahead and perform your magic, okay?